Okay, what have we got here? This is your basic Bransden ignition. We proved it works by turning the magnets inside the points plate. We're making it spark. Major components we got here. Got your control box, 2 coils, got your pickups, and the magnet that spins behind them. I don't know if you can see it sparking, but you can certainly hear it. All we're doing here is spinning a magnet behind these coils, replacing the points. Pretty simple. Just basic parts of your box are you got red and white wires. Since this is positive ground, we got positive red, just like it says on the box. Positive and negative. Then you got your point wires. Just go to those pickup coils. And then you got your black wire that goes to your coil over here. In one coil, across, over to the other coil, and out to ground, back to your battery. Pretty simple stuff, but people seem to get confused very easily. Both plugs fire at once as it turns. Waste spark, not a big deal. Works on all ignition systems. You're just replacing the points with these Hall effect triggers right here. Simple stuff. Now, some of the vagaries of the system are, gee, the coil is dead. I got nothing. Here's what happens. When you turn the engine over, turns the power box on right here, turns it on, livens up your coils. When the engine's not turning, it pauses for a second or two, and it shuts the box off here. Get the light over here so you'll have a little better picture of what's going on. Coil's dead. The test light is dead. Gee, there's nothing going on. But once you turn that engine over, you kick it over, the light goes on, the coils are live, the ignition works. When the engine stops, the light goes out. It doesn't want to overheat the coils or anything, so while the engine isn't turning over, you don't need ignition. Otherwise, you'd overheat the coils, probably the box, and everything else. Here's how it works again. You get your coils are dead, the ignition's on, kick it over, you're getting spark. Simple as that. Stops turning, the box turns off. So you got 3 parts of the box right here, your ignition box. You got your positive and negative wires that power the box. You got your black wire that goes over to your coils, which are wired in series to ground. And then you got your trigger wires, the black and yellow, black and white. That goes to the pickup coils. Now, it works. Easy way to check, see what's going on with your box here. You can pull these wires off, touch these 2 together, and it sparks. That tells you the coils, the pickup box, everything is good. We've just eliminated this pickup assembly. So if you have any doubts, touch them together, it should spark. If it doesn't, then you get a problem somewhere else between the coil wiring or whatever. So we're going to plug it back in. Give you another quick test. This is an old Mark III box, so when you power it up and down, you get a spark. What we've got here is a magnet. If you wave it over the coils, it's the same thing as turning the engine over with those coils back there. Just a quickie test. Turns the little coils off and on. Simplest test there is. Just wave it past there. I can't get in here. Does the same thing. Both coils are wired in series. So you just do that, give it a quick test. Simple system.